welcome to Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. My name is Marie-France Garon. Today we're having some friends over for dinner and I want to cook something healthy for them. But what we're gonna make for our dessert, it will be super healthy. We're making a fiber chocolate mousse, but it's a very special one. So what we're gonna use is we're gonna use this fiber drink here that is part of our weight loss program that we use. Now, normally you can use this product, just mix it with water, drink it, it's your fiber and it's delicious. But now I'm making it as a dessert for tonight. So let me just tell you a little bit more about this fiber, what it is. It's so healthy. It optimizes your digestions and it curbs the late night craving because it's fiber, fills you up. It purifies your digestive tract and it promotes regularity. It's a chocolate flavor, which is delicious, and it contains a unique combination of soluble, insoluble, and prebiotic fibers. How healthy is that? 100% plant, and what is in it as well, it's got oats, apple, and cocoa. It's gluten-free, it's vegan, non-GMO, zero sugar, 100% plant, and very healthy and good for you. So how do I do this little chocolate mousse now? It's very, very, very quick, very simple, but it has to be done a little bit in advance, so it's gonna sit in the fridge for a couple of hours. Now, we'll make a little bit of noise with the blender, but just for a few minutes. So here I have 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. It's very, very thick. So I never buy the low fat because it's got all sorts of additive or different ingredients that we don't want. So it's the full whole milk yogurt, Greek yogurt. About 1 cup of that here. We'll put it in the blender and we're gonna add some coconut milk. Now the drinkable milk that I buy fresh in the fridge, not the one in the can that is very, very concentrated. So it's the coconut milk. I have 1.5 cup here of coconut milk. Put that all in the blender here. Now, sorry for the noise, it will be just a few minutes. So we're gonna mix that together. So it's already mixing. And we can add our fiber. So for us, we have 4 people for dinner tonight. So let me just stop that so you can hear me. So I will just use 2 scoops. Normally a serving for 1 person will be 1 scoop, but here I will just use like the 2 scoops for the 4 people because we have all this yogurt and this coconut milk as well. So here it is. So we have our fiber. We'll put this back on and we're just nearly done. So just mixing that together. Beautiful. It's all going. So what it's gonna do, because the fiber, when it sits in the fridge, it will thickens a little bit because it's fiber, and I will add as well some chia seeds, which makes it all sort of stick together. Now, this is a dessert, so I'm adding a bit of sweetener. Let me stop that. So I will add a little bit of stevia. This is the sweetener that I use all the time because it's natural, it's from a plant, it's got no artificial sweetener in that. It's just 100% natural and it's got 0 calories, so I use the stevia all the time. So we'll put just maybe a couple, just one teaspoon I think should be enough to sweeten here our mousse, our chocolate mousse. And I will put a little bit of chia seed, not too much. Let's say we put about 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and we're gonna mix that again. I'm just gonna scrape the side. I don't want to waste any here. So there you are. So a little quick mix here with the chia seed, not too much. Voila, that's enough. This is just ready to go in the fridge, and I'll put it in those beautiful little serving bowl here. Only a little bit of each, just about like this. I think that's enough. And when I'm ready to serve, when I'm finished, I will put a nice strawberry on top. I'll show you now what I'm gonna do, but I won't put it on just now. So I take a nice strawberry, leave the leaves, and just cut it, but not to the end. And then when you cut it like that, and you press it down like this, it's pretty. So I'm gonna sit that on top when it's finished, when it's been in the fridge for about 2 hours. So here is our delicious chocolate fiber mousse for our dessert for tonight. Bon appetit!